Introduction to Anatomy and Physiology with me, Boy Lil Z. Now can I ask you to please stand up and stand in front of a mirror and take a look on how gorgeous and how handsome you are, and can you please blink 3 times? Now that's Anatomy and Physiology working together. To know and understand more about Anatomy and Physiology, stay tuned and keep watching this video. Hi everyone, this is Boy Lil Z and welcome to my channel. But before anything else, if this is the first time you are watching my video, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be updated for my upcoming videos and to support my channel. Also give a like, comment, and share this video to everyone at home. And also, if you want to know more about me, follow me on my social media accounts flashed on your screen. Links will be provided on the description box below. And in today's video, I will be sharing with you the introduction to Anatomy and Physiology. And here we have 4 main points that we will be talking about in a moment. You see, we all have and live in what we call a body. And our body has its own structure and origin that I will be also sharing with you in a moment. Number 1. What is anatomy and physiology? Wait, let me explain. Basically, anatomy is the study of the structure and the relationship of our body parts. And physiology is the science of how those body parts come together to function. You see, anatomy is all about what the body is, and physiology is all about what the body does. And together, they comprise the science of humans and living things. You see, to learn and master human anatomy, you need to have a cadaver so that you can see the arrangement of the body parts under your skin. And thanks to the Cadaver Act on 1700s, today we can examine cadavers legally and freely. You see, these subparts under your skin has its own function. Remove one tiny particle that we all call cell could make the entire system in danger. Number 2, complementarity of structure and function. Different structure, different body parts has its own function, but every function of each part works to support the other body parts. Let's take an example when you wave your hands. In a cellular view, we have specific cells that will stimulate your brain to release motor signal to another structure called the nerve. These nerves will then stimulate your action potential that will say to your muscle, hey, contract, and your muscle will say to your body, hey, wave your hand. You see, this is just a brief explanation of how anatomy and physiology works together. Number 3, hierarchy of organization. In a human body, we have what we call system, and this system originated from a tiny particle called atom. When 2 atoms bind together, they become a cell. Then when group of cells combine, it became tissues. 2 or more tissues combining together, it will then become an organ. 2 or more organs working together, like your stomach and your liver, it will then be called organ systems. And when these organ systems, your digestive systems, your cardiovascular systems, your neuromuscular systems work together, it will then become a body. It will then become a human. And number 4, directional terms. Directional terms are terms used to describe the exact area or direction of what body parts you want to point on. Now imagine a person standing in front of you. In medical field or medical courses, we have what we call the anatomical position. Anatomical position is a position where the body is erect and facing forward with arms at the side and palms facing forward. Now imagine slicing through that person and cutting it into different parts or different section or different planes. Here we have 3 planes. First, the sagittal plane. Sagittal plane is a vertical cross-section of the body separating the left side and the right side. Second is the frontal plane, or what we call as coronal plane. It is a cross-section that divides the front and the back. And third is the horizontal plane or the transverse plane. This plane divides the body into upper part and down part. And we also have what we call as parasagittal plane, which is another division of a sagittal plane. In medical field, we also have 2 major area terms. First is the axial. It is everything found on the head, back, and trunk, while our limbs or our hands and legs are part of the second major area term, which is the appendicular part. Here we also have positional terms. Everything found on the front is what we call as anterior. Everything on the back is what we call as posterior. Anterior can be also called as ventral, and posterior can also be called as caudal. Something higher is called superior, and something below is called inferior. Parts that are closer to the trunk is what we call as medial, while parts that are farther from the trunk is what we call as lateral. Take note to memorize and keep in heart these directional terms, for this will be useful in the long run as a medical student. Now, as an assignment, this time help me locate my esophagus using these directional terms. Comment down below. That's it. Now that you know a superficial and brief overview of the introduction to anatomy and physiology, the next episode will be about basic anatomy and physiology. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to support my channel and to be updated for my upcoming videos. Also give a like, comment, and share this video to everyone at home. So God bless you all and see you soon on my upcoming videos. This is Boy Lil Z. Peace out.
Run.